Roy Foster's has been a icon in the Reno market for 75 years now. This is a family business. It was started by his father, Roy Foster Sr., and Roy Foster Jr., who now runs the shop, has carried on that legacy, and he's passing that along to his two sons that are active in the business at the moment. What makes Roy Foster's Automotive special is just a showcase auto repair shop. It's state-of-the-art, super clean facility, friendly staff. They're very professional. If you walk into the facility, you feel very comfortable that this is a high-quality repair shop. They're going to take care of your vehicle just as if it were their own. Roy himself is a coach for the repair shop of tomorrow. So he consults other repair facilities in the latest and greatest in the automotive industry. In some cases, it could be electric vehicles, maybe hydrogen. We'll see how that develops. But as technology is changing with cars on a daily basis, they're staying up to date with the current changes and being able to service those vehicles. What made Roy Foster's one of my nominees, and fortunately, and congratulations, became a winner, is they cover every aspect of what we were looking for in Best in Repair. They are a Napa Auto Care facility, very involved in the community, very involved in the industry. They also are in line with our club. They've helped out at some of our member events at the branch offices and volunteered their time there. That's very important to us. Our brand is on their brand. We focus on member satisfaction. They focus on customer satisfaction. We require ASE certifications in a minimum of 4 different categories. Roy Foster's has several master technicians, so they go above and beyond what the minimum requirements are, and that says a lot to Roy's dedication to training. The way he runs his shop is exceptional. It's a showcase shop. He wants to display he's the best of the best, and it's just one of the cutting-edge shops. Roy Foster's Automotive has been AAA approved for 31 years now, and we've had a great relationship and look forward to moving forward in the future and working together.